In India, I could not get out of the house, or my parents also hesitated letting me out of the house.
I wanted to do something back in India, stay over there. A lot of people think that staying in India, giving me taking a couple of drop years and then getting into a college there is the only option, but
Hello, my name is Hazika. I was brought up in Oman and I studied in Oman and India as well. So now I'm studying here in TSMU in 4th semester.
Hi, my name is Ashmita. I'm from India and right now I study in TSMU. I'm in the 4th semester. So it's pretty good. The place is really nice. The campus is beautiful. Teachers are lovely.
It gives you a really good exposure here because you're in a different place here. And I'm also from India, by the way, but I was brought up in Oman. So I also had some openness in a different environment. But over here it's completely different, and the professor, they're so amazing. They explain in such a nice manner that you understand all the concepts really well.
Ever since I was younger, I wanted to be a doctor. My parents, they were really happy when I said that I wanted to do something in medicine.
I've always hated mathematics, so I really wanted to pursue something in the field of science because I really love the human anatomy and how the body works. I was really curious, so I really wanted to learn medicine, and also my parents wanted me to pursue the career as well. I really told my parents I wanted to pursue this for myself and I wanted a better path for myself. So I really thought that this would give me a better position in life. So apart from this, I feel like doctors are really valued. First comes God, second comes doctors. We have the power in our hands to save people's lives. So I really saw that like a pushing force. So I told my parents I wanted to do this, and they also accepted what I said. So here I am.
My mom was the one who found out about this place, about this university. So she was the one who was kind of pushing me to come here. I wanted to do something back in India, stay over there, where my friends are and everything. But she was the one who pushed me to come here, and I don't regret it at all. It's so beautiful. I love this city, the place, the people, the campus, and everything. It's really nice. It is a very safe place. Me personally, I haven't faced a lot of problems over here. We go out for walks at night a lot of times, and nothing has really happened. Nobody cares. It's pretty safe.
I have also noticed I can go out at 2 a.m. and there's no one to distract you or bother you here, unlike in India. So over there I could not get out of the house, or my parents also hesitated letting me out of the house. But over here they have confidently sent me to a country and they don't mind at all. They're okay, just stay safe. But they don't have something bugging them, or will something happen to her. It's a really safe place, especially for girls. Even if it's night, doesn't matter. You can feel really safe here.
It really depends on what hostel you choose. First year we did stay in a hostel, and you do tend to miss your hostel food and everything. But it's nothing that should really stop you from coming here. It's not that big of a problem. You have mess and everything. You can pay for lunch and dinner. It's pretty cheap, honestly, for what the quality of food and everything. So that hasn't been that big of a problem.
I also had stayed in the hostel before. So once I felt more comfortable and I felt like I can manage things on my own, I told my parents that I wanted to move out. So I went out and now I'm living all alone. It's really good for me. I feel like I have my sense of privacy now, because in the hostel we had to share the rooms with 2-3 other people. But that was also fine because I was new to the place and I wanted some seniors to guide me. So that was really, really helpful for me. So being in the hostel in the first year is really good, especially for the newcomers. And after that, when you feel okay, I know this place enough, I'm feeling comfortable enough to live on my own, then I would suggest them to move up. I feel like my costs are really low living outside, because sometimes when I was in the hostel, I used to eat out. So I had to ask my parents for extra money, okay, I'm eating out today because I have missed my food in the hostel. So sometimes it was like that, but now it's up to me. So if I want to cook, I cook. If not, I just go out and eat. I feel over here, vegetables and everything is actually pretty cheap compared to from Oman. So if you want to cook, you cook. Otherwise, you eat out. That's it.
I just want to say that, a lot of people think that staying in India, giving me taking a couple of drop years and then getting into a college there is the only option. But really, you can study medicine outside and it can be just as good. In fact, sometimes even better, because you get exposed to a lot of new things. It is definitely a learning learning experience, and this place is really nice.
make new friends.
You make new friends, and it's good. Just go for it.
If this is what you want in life, I would suggest you to go ahead, pursue it. Doesn't matter the obstacles, just keep your mind focused, just set your target and go work for it.